Meaning of determine.
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 Determine. The word determine means to find out or establish something conclusively. When a person determines something, they take the necessary steps to come to a definite decision or conclusion. This can involve gathering information, analyzing data, and weighing the pros and cons of different options. The result of determination is a clear and definitive understanding of a particular situation or problem. It allows an individual to make informed choices and take decisive actions based on objective facts rather than speculation or uncertainty. Ultimately, determination is a critical skill in both personal and professional contexts, enabling individuals to achieve their goals and succeed in their endeavors.